Methods of presenting art subject. Impressionism. The movement emphasized the artist's immediate impression of a moment or scene, communicated through the effect of light and its reflection, short brushstroke, and separation of colors. Ay mga dancer tilting, mga impression of moment or scene. Surrealism, it tries to reveal a new and higher reality than that daily life. They claim to create magic world, more beautiful than real truth. It came from slang or supper realism. Ito yung mga pang-araw-araw nating nakikita sa ating mga paligid. Mga conscious, unlock power, imagination strongly influence psychoanalysis, the persistence of memory. Abstractionism. It means to move away, separate this art, moves away from showing things as really are. Ang abstractionism naman, ito yung mga parang painting na gumagalaw. It moves away, separate this, moves away from showing things. Cubism. Ang create nito ay si Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. It geometric shapes depiction of human and other forms over time, and geometric touches grew intense that they sometimes overtook the represented forms, creating a pure level. Ito yung mga parang pinagpatong-patong na iba't ibang shape upang makabuo ng isang art. Dadaism came from French word dada, meaning hobby horse. Dadaism was the first conceptual art movement where the focus on artist was not craft aesthetically pleasing object, instead expressing nonsense irrationally. Ang Dadaism naman ay ito yung mga nakakatawang art, mga ine-edit nila, gaya ni Mona Lisa, nilagyan ng mga bigote, kung ano-anong mga drawing. Pointillism. Pointillism is the technique of painting into small distinct dots of colors are applied in patterns to form an image. George Seurat and Pascual Signac developed the technique in 1860s. Ang pointillism naman ay ito yung mga art na ang gamit lang ay tuldok-tuldok hanggat sa makabuo ng isang art. Mga pangkulay na ginagamit lang pantuldok hanggat makabuo ng isang art. Expressionism is artist style which artists attempt to portray not object reality but rather the object emotion and response to object and events are aroused in him. Expressionism in high of subject person's spontaneous self-expression. Typically wide range modern artist art movements of today. Optical art. An art short for optical art is a style visual art that use optical illusion of art were abstract with many better known pieces created black and white typically give the view impression movement, hidden image, flashing and vibrating. Ang optical art naman ay ito yung mga black and white color, nakala mo'y gumagalaw pero hindi yan talaga gumagalaw. Yan ay illusion lang. Pop art. Art is in commonplace object, comics, strips, soup cans, newspaper, and more into their work. The pop art maintains solidity, that idea that art can draw from any source. Ang pop art naman ito yung mga comics, mga cartoon character, strip, cans, sa mga newspaper. Realism, also known as New Realism or Verism, is a form of contemporary art that use photography to create high realistic production of image, other medium, typically painting, drawing, other graphic medium. Ang photorealism naman ay ito yung mga pang-araw-araw nating nakikita. Realism, contemporary use photography create highly realistic reproduction of an image. Landscape. Ang landscape naman by sculpturing by land itself. It work may be structured landscape with natural materials. Ito yung sa mga garden ng mga panla-landscape. mga halaman. Street art is a form of artwork that displays public surrounding, buildings, street trains, and other public view surfaces. Yung street art naman ay yung mga pagpipaint sa mga tabi-tabi ng mga kalsada, sa mga pader, ng mga graffiti. Kinetic art is art any form of medium that contains movement perceived by the viewer or depends on motion for its effect. Kinetic, it's a term that most refers to three-dimensional sculpture figures and boundaries. Naturally are machine separated moving parts. A general power wind or a motor or ito naman ay yung kinetic art naman ay pinapagana ng generally powered by wind or a motor or tidal observer.